Having a bright and healthy smile has been proven to have a direct impact on how you feel about your life as well as how you perform professionally. But with high costs of reconstructive surgeries and expensive procedures, not everyone can afford to have those pearly whites. All week long is National Prosthodontics Awareness Week, and today we're talking about the role of a healthy smile in your life. We are joined by Dr. Marshall Fagan. Thank you, of course, for being here. Now, before we get into the interview, my first question for you is prosthodontics might be a term that many people aren't familiar with. So can you give me a rundown of what that is, you know, comparative to just your dentist?
Right. Prosthodontist is someone that diagnoses, treats, and restores and replaces missing teeth to help give you back a smile that you can feel confident with and interact with others in a happier way, you know, so that if you're smiling all the time, people respond to you with smiles. But to be able to chew and function in public really makes a huge difference in people's quality of life, and it really makes a difference from the standpoint of interaction, sales, you know, confidence in themselves. Having a grandmother say, you know, or a grandchild saying to the grandmother, "How come you don't smile?" Okay, that can hurt.
So we're not necessarily talking about general dentistry. We're talking about sort of filling the gaps and making sure that you're happy and content with your smile. On a health side of things, missing teeth and having those sort of gaps, what can that lead to?
Well, it leads to more teeth shifting and bite problems, sometimes TMJ joint issues, muscle problems, and it depends on the care they're giving to their teeth every day in terms of the potential for periodontal disease and even the need for orthodontics or losing their teeth at a future time because of the shifting that's taken place.
All right, we do have some pictures and I want to show them. This is your work. We're looking at some before and after pictures. So tell me what's going on with these.
Well, a lot of times in order to, this is a person who is at a front desk at an office and giving them confidence to be able to smile again, really, and they're very beautiful people, is a huge role in how they respond to people and how they communicate with people. So they involve periodontal treatment, it involved crowns, okay, and bridge work in order to put them back together.
Now, a lot of people out there can't necessarily afford to have reconstructive surgery or any sort of dental implants if they don't have the right insurance, but your sort of mission is to make sure that people that do need this do have access to that.
Yeah, access to care is always a concern, and in Buffalo there are several areas that can help with this. One is, of course, the dental school that provides a lower cost for very good treatment, and they're also going to be soon opening the Broadway Clinic at 1500 Broadway.
Now, are we talking about the University of Buffalo's Dental
School of Dentistry, which is also at Bailey in Maine. So they're going to have 2 locations to be providing services. I'm trying to also inspire other dentists to do more within their offices. Through Catholic Charities, there's a whole group of almost 60 dentists from St. Apollonian Guild that are assigned patients that they can actually help restore their mouths or give them, it could be hygiene, it could be a broken filling or a tooth that needs removal. The Good Neighbor, the clinic for, the dental clinic for Good Neighbors on Jefferson Avenue in the city is a wonderful facility run by Patty Haberman that they need more volunteers, and I'm hoping that we can inspire more dentists to volunteer, and not just them, but their whole team. You know, bring a hygienist, bring an assistant, and really give back, even if it's just 2 half-days a year. If we got 100 dentists to do that, we'd be really serving the community wonderfully.
And I mean, your teeth are so important to your lifestyle and your health. So for people out there that want a little bit more information, maybe they want to take the next step, where can they find that information?
Well, there are different groups. For instance, they can go online and they can look for Smiles Change Lives, which is an national orthodontic group. There is the Good Neighbors Clinic. They can look that up. 8th District Dental Society here in our community can give them places to go, and the dental school.
And we're looking at that phone number right there. It is 716-995-6300. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Marshall Fagan. Marshall Fagan. Little tongue-tied right there. And of course, this is definitely something that if you do want to look into, we'll post all that information
we
right
appreciate our dentists in the community, and we really want to have the patients recognize how their good dental health can really affect their lives tremendously.